All right, guys, welcome again. This is the last video presentations that I share to you that we are going to initial startup dosers. So we will start our equipment. All right. So as you can see, guys, all of the previous videos that is construction to commissioning. So now we're going to hand over. Okay. So this is stage witnessing of testing. So all of the testing, guys, must be completed, right? So instrument loop check, cause and effect check, and process functional test, and OTP, and also we have the mechanical functional test OTP also, and electrical, and also telecom, and we have all of that testing. So instrument, cause and effects, process, mechanical, electrical, telecom, that is combinations of all discipline that testing already completed in the whole system, not subsystem. So I'm sure that you already seen all the previous videos that considering all of the index, which is a doser's index, and that is the requirements of the index based on your requirements, RFHO, RFSU, handover reports, and then this is the stages of witnessing all of the testing to be completed and submit and all hand over to our client. So this is how we process. Okay? So we have instrument control system, functional testing, lifting materials, handling functional test, and HVAC system, and also NOVIC system, and also we have leak testing. Then after that, we have the startup performance testing. So this is all the combinations of your test requirements during the commissioning stages. So we sum up together with our construction team. We completed our pre-commissioning, we completed our functional testing, and then all of the stages of the witnessing testing during the commissioning, along with this operations team, operation and maintenance team, we have to do the testing, operation test procedures. We combine the testing, witnessing, and now become the system and ready to turn over and ready to energize and start up the system. Okay, for example, switch gear, connect from the transformer to switch gear, uh, going to our feeder to field instrument, field equipment. That is combinations, that is the whole system. Okay, so controls, signals, etc., and telecom instrumentations through to our process system. That's all, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see you and thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.